Hey everyone, let's dive into a critical issue that has recently unfolded in the Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC. Over the weekend, an attempted coup struck the heart of Kinshasa, the nation's capital, sparking a wave of international concern and regional action. The Southern African Development Community, abbreviated as SADC, has been quick to respond. This bloc, which includes several countries from the southern part of Africa, plays a pivotal role in maintaining peace and stability in the region. In a decisive move, SADC condemned the coup attempt in the strongest terms. They didn't just stop there. The organization has expressed its appreciation for the swift action taken by the DRC's military forces. These forces played a crucial role in not only stopping the coup, but arresting those behind it, preventing further violence and potential chaos. What's particularly noteworthy here is the unity and the firm stance against unconstitutional changes of government. SADC's reaction underscores a broader commitment to safeguarding democratic institutions in the region. This is not just about the DRC, it's a clear message to all member states and beyond that stability and democratic governance are non-negotiable. But why should this matter to us? Well, stability in the DRC affects not just the local population, but has broader implications for security, economic stability, and humanitarian issues across the region and indeed globally. Unstable regions can foster a breeding ground for more severe conflicts and disrupt global markets. In wrapping up, the SADC's response is a crucial development in African politics. It's a testament to how regional bodies can work together to uphold peace and democracy. Keep an eye on this region. What happens here could set precedents for international relations and regional cooperation in Africa and beyond. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like if you found this breakdown helpful. Stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one.